Hello everyone. We are back to the Philippines. One of my favorite buildings right there. Thank you. Stopped for me to cross. So when a car stops for you to cross, you need to like walk fast in appreciation. Feels so good to be back to the Philippines. This is home. Welcome back to the Philippines. My first time back into the country. It feels so good to be back home. I'm sure you must have seen my 100 videos from Malaysia. And you were wondering, have I moved to the country? Have I left the Philippines? This is BGC, so I'm just running some errands. I just finished errand number 1 down there. So now I want to head this way to go to the mall. Oh, the evening sun is hot. If it's your first time here, my name is Jackie and I live in the Philippines and I travel the world from the Philippines. So we just finished sharing videos from Malaysia. So please try to watch it. I was in Malaysia for such a long time. I was in Kuala Lumpur. I was also in Penang. Next time I'm in the country, I'm going to go to other cities, but you really love the vlogs I have for those 2 cities. If you want to visit, those videos will really help you. So try to watch them and do subscribe to the channel to be seeing more videos from me and more travel adventures. We're going to be seeing some other countries pretty soon. But for now, I'm back home and I'm just on my normal daily routine in my neighborhood. So I'll just take you on the journey. Oh my goodness, I love BGC. I love BGC. It feels so good to be home. I still remember the first time I walked on this road. It was my first time in BGC. And I have now been living here for 2 years. So this is the famous high street, the most popular dining and shopping streets in the Philippines. This is 4 p.m. so people are closing from work. Children are going to the park. We have many parks here where children can go hang out when they are back from school. And they really love to do that. We passed one. I want to show you the next one. Crossed or something to get to SM Aura. I don't want to hit the end of this road. I should cross before then to walk in the shade. I have missed it. Should have gone another way so I could walk in the shade. Okay, we're gonna try over there. Let's see. This is another park. I feel like this is the best park in BGC. There's a jogging path, places for kids to play, You can see people playing tennis over there. Like, I feel it's the best, the most used park. Open 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Terra 28th. Very interesting park. Oh, there's still sun here. I should be on this way. How do I go that I will be in the shade? I don't want to be walking in the sun. Let's see. I found shade. So over here, living in BGC is so cool because you get to walk everywhere you're going and just get your steps in. Can I make it? Let's see. Oh, I missed it. Oof. So we're gonna go this way. It's not so hot, surprisingly. I've been walking in the sun, but I'm not sweating. Oh, now in the indoors. This is my favorite mall in BGC. Well, I don't know if it's favorite, but I come here more often than I visit some other malls. And just for the singular reason that this was the first mall I came to the first day I was in BGC. I want to buy something here. I have a lot to buy, so I'll be going to so many shops. We're going to start from here. Sorry, I don't know how I'm going to find it. I've not bought it in ages, so I've forgotten where it ought to be. Please, I want to buy this. But that color is good. Let me see. Let me see it. But still give me that one. This one is nice too. Okay, gotta put the camera away to just
Same.
yeah, that's same. Thank you. I need my hands. My hands are getting so full. I have two more shops to go to. Where are we? Okay, so I'll just go one down. And I think we are done. Let's go this way. I'll go through the department store. Feels good to be back home. I'm not buying much right now. I just came to get a few gifts and that is it. They're kind of urgent. So I just want to get it and we'll be on our way home. So I'll just go down through here. Oh, the skirt. Oh, feels so comfortable. I really like comfortable fabric. Okay. One down. I want to get a perfume from here. So I was here earlier. This was my first stop when I came to the mall. So I just tested it and then carried the test around. So now I'm back. I'll check the one that, is still good. Where is the place here? And I'm going to take it. That's what I love to do. I'll come and test it first, go around, and then come back. So let me see which one I'll be getting. Okay. So I've made my choice. Let us pay.